As you know, I like to crash parties and do wonderful things for people. And today we are going to announce an SLISU Award winner. So today's winner was actually nominated with some student help, and actually have 3 nominations for Jennifer. So want to congratulate you as our Q3 SLISU Award winner. But just some of the things, I think if there were themes that were inherent in your nomination, it really ties to how you develop students, how you engage students, how you bring students into the fold and help them grow and develop. And that was just so incredibly powerful. I know too, Jennifer, you fairly recently started a new role. I think it taps totally into your skill set, and it's just been phenomenal for UR and for the division as a whole as well. So just thrilled to be able to award you today.
It was very humbling and a huge honor to be nominated for this award, much less to receive the award.
The thing that stands out most about Jennifer is just her willingness to accept everybody. She's a great person to have take you under her wing. She's great at just making sure you're comfortable, making sure you understand everything, and she's a great person just to feel comfortable with and ask questions if you need clarification or just need somebody to talk to.
What motivates me to do the work that I do is the incredible students I get to work with every day, and just seeing them develop and grow and being able to push them to do things they didn't think they could do in a safe environment is just so much fun to me, because when they realize their own potential and their growth, it's very rewarding.